All right, if you need to encrypt a file or folder before sending it to someone, this tool makes it easy to do so. Just right-click on the file, select Encrypt with Encrypto, set a password, and that's it. Your document is protected. You need to send a confidential document, a contract, financial records, medical information, private photos, to someone by email or file transfer. Once it leaves your hands, you have no control over who might intercept it or access it. Encrypting the file with a password before sending means only the person with the correct password can open it, even if the file is intercepted. Today, I'm showing you a free tool that does this in 2 clicks, and I'll demo the complete workflow between 2 PCs. The tool I'm using here is called Encrypto by MacPaw. Go to macpaw.com/encrypto. The page detects your operating system. Since we're on Windows today, click Download for Windows. The download starts automatically, no email required. The installer is small, just over 3 megabytes, and downloads in seconds. Install it. The Encrypto welcome screen appears. Click through the introduction screens until you reach the main Encrypto window. Encrypto is compatible with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, and 11, and the Mac version is available on the same page, so sending encrypted files from a Windows PC to a Mac user works seamlessly since both sides use the same .crypto format. Encrypto gives you 2 ways to encrypt a file, and both are equally simple. Method 1. From inside Encrypto. The main Encrypto window shows a large drop zone. Click Add a File to browse and select any file, or Add a Folder to encrypt an entire folder as a single encrypted package. Select your file, and it appears in the queue. Method 2. Right-click Context menu. This is the faster approach for most use cases. In File Explorer, right-click on any file or folder you want to encrypt. In the context menu, you'll see a new option, Encrypt with Encrypto. Click it, and Encrypto opens directly with that file already loaded. With the file loaded, Encrypto prompts for a password. Type a strong password in the Enter Password field. Optionally, you can add a password hint in the field below, a reminder visible to the recipient about what the password might be without revealing the password itself. Keep the hint vague enough to not give it away to anyone else who sees the file. Click Encrypt. Encrypto processes the file and then asks where to save the encrypted output. Choose a location and click Save. The encryption completes almost instantly for most file sizes. In File Explorer, you'll now see the encrypted file alongside the original. The encrypted file has a .crypto extension and shows the Encrypto icon. This is the file you'll send, not the original. Now the encrypted .crypto file is ready to send. You can, via email, attach the .crypto file to an email, or via USB or network copy the .crypto file to a USB drive or shared folder. On the second PC, I've received the .crypto file either via email, attachment download, or USB copy. First, Encrypto must be installed on the receiving machine as well. The recipient needs to download and install Encrypto from the same link, macpaw.com/encrypto. Installation takes the same 30 seconds as on the first PC. Once installed, simply double-click the .crypto file. Encrypto opens and shows a decryption prompt asking for the password. Type the correct password and click Decrypt. The original file is restored. Encrypto prompts for a save location and choose where to save the decrypted file on this PC. The original document, photo, or whatever was encrypted is now fully accessible and identical to the original before encryption. Encrypto, free AES 256 encryption, 2-click file protection, works on Windows and Mac, and the complete workflow between 2 machines takes under 2 minutes. For anyone sending confidential files regularly, this is a genuinely useful addition to your toolkit. Drop a comment if you found this useful or if you have questions about file encryption scenarios. Subscribe for more IT tips. I post practical IT guides every day. Thanks for watching.